reviews.
I love to put this in my smoothies. I usually do a pretty big spoonful because it's a good healthy fat alternative as well if you don't want to add maybe like peanut butter or nut butter to your smoothies. This is Coyo, which is one of my favorite coconut yogurts ever. It's the natural flavor, which I love to add to my smoothies. I also like to just have it in a bowl in the morning with some granola on top. And this one is made from just coconuts, and then it has the probiotics in it. And there's 50 billion strands of probiotics in one case. I discovered this brand about a year ago because I was looking for coconut yogurts and non-dairy yogurts, and a lot of them just tasted weird, and they also had a lot of added sugar into them. And this one has no added sugar, and it's really creamy and really delicious. I also use it when it comes to baking too, and if there's like a yogurt, and I use this as a substitute. I would recommend this for anyone that's looking for a great non-dairy yogurt alternative, or anyone that's vegan or even Whole30, paleo. It fits all of those dietary guidelines.